proposal.
You got me crying over here.
That's okay, baby. You know, like I said, I will do it over again.
My husband proposed to me on my birthday. I want to tell you guys the full proposal story. What story is that without getting my husband's perspective on it? What I'm going to do is call him. He's in Jamaica. I'm in Houston. You guys will be able to hear his side of the story. I have some questions. I know y'all have some questions. So let's get to it. Hey,
Baby,
hey, baby. You
how
busy?
you doing?
I'm fine. You busy?
No, I'm not busy. What's up?
I am doing a vlog and telling my audience about our proposal story. I said, let me call you my wonderful husband so they can hear your side of it. You down for
Oh
it?
my God. Yeah, I'm down for it. Anything for you, mama.
Okay, so I'm going to tell them how it started for me. And I'm going to ask you some questions so you can tell the people what it really is. I'm going to answer, where were we in our relationship? We were in a really good space of falling in love. We were just two teenagers, very in love with each other. I was at a comfortable space. It was unexpected, but I was ready. It was my birthday. The first thing that we did, we went walking. We went to the beach, and I was having a dinner that night, so I felt like we were just starting the day off with a little exercise. Let me ask you some questions, babe. When did you decide that you were going to propose to me?
Oh my God. All right. Loki, I knew way before I even tell anybody. My heart was just already there. Yo, shit. This woman is so fucking good to me. I love this woman. You brought out a side of me that I never seen with nobody in my past. I wasn't this jovial person, this smiley person, this happy person. You just touched my soul. So I knew from that moment, like, oh, I don't want to do life without you. And that's it.
So were you planning this proposal for a long time?
Oh my God. I wouldn't say a long time, but I'm thinking, let me see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. I think it was October. I start planning from October. And I'm like, I want to do this. I want to give out the new year with a bang. I'm like, shit, the best way to do it is on the 31st of December, New Year's Eve.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, no. Sorry to curse, my bad. You can beat that out. And I'm like, no, dang, that's my mom anniversary. I'm like, shit, nah, I'm gonna leave that space on, mom. And then I'm like, wait, but January, your birthday coming up. And I'm like, I'm already in my head, I'm already planning this dinner thing. And I'm like, yo, okay. In Jamaica, we say use one stone and kill two birds. So I'm like, I'm gonna just do it there. So that's how I was planning it. That's what, 2 months.
You know, I never knew you were going to do it on your mom's anniversary. Like, I know December 31st was the day you were thinking about it.
Yeah, that's how it was. And I'm like, shit, nah, I can't do that. I can't take the shine from my mom. I'm gonna leave it alone.
Okay, well, did you contact my family and friends?
Oh my God, I don't want to go there. Yes, I did contact. So I'm nervous as shit, and I'm like, damn, how am I do this? So I text your sister, and I'm like, hey, I'm wonderful birthday dinner for your sister. I'd love if you could make it. I'm a nice tropical vibe, and I'm like, I really need you there. And I sent it to like 3 of your friends that I know already. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It was shocking to me. I just wanted to do it the right way. And unfortunately they couldn't turn up. I respect that, but yeah, that's how it is.
Okay. So, how did you get the ring?
You and your crazy ass questions, girl.
The people want to know, like, they probably think I brought my ring. So,
that's true.
Let them know.
So, the ring, all right. So, the rod in, where the fuck that was? Florida? Yeah, the ring was bought in Florida. The ring box was bought on Amazon. For the people who think you bought your own ring. You're in Houston. You're in Texas. So the ring was bought in Florida. In jewelry store. I don't remember the jewelry store yet, but well, hefty price. But yeah, because they used taking care of me, you're spoiling me and shit. But they don't know a nigga working, a nigga got money.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I bought it in Florida, ship it to my best friend, Jay, a.k.a. Jardine. And she purchased the ring box for me. I tell her I need one. When you open it, it lights up. That's it.
Okay, shout out to Ernine. So, what was the hardest part?
Keeping it from you? You know what I mean? Yeah, keeping it was the hardest part.
And I can say he definitely kept it from me. Like, everybody knew. I was so mad because everybody knew. All I knew was my birthday. And it was like everybody was doing this big, big surprise. Yeah, I'm going to get to my part after this. So, that was the hardest part, you think? Keeping it from me?
The hardest part? Yeah.
Okay.
Like, surprise away from you.
Were you nervous?
Oh my God, I was terrified. But in a good way, in a good way. My heart was racing. Like, I don't slippery hands and shit like that, like wedding shit. Man, that night, my heart was racing. My palms sweaty as fuck. I was hot. It's like I was sweating, but I wasn't sweating because I was looking at my face and I wasn't sweating, but I could feel my body was like, oh my God. The people at the restaurant even had to say, yo, you want some orange juice? You want some water? I said, yeah, please. I was nervous as shit.
So let me tell them how it happened. So I had this custom dress made. Of course, it was my birthday. And we were matchy-matchy because we were going to dinner. So we went to this place that I've never been before. What was the name of it?
Lace Restaurant?
Lace in Jamaica, in Montego Bay.
Montego Bay,
And the way that the restaurant is, it was like on the top level, and you have to take these stairs up. So I'm waiting outside, and all of a sudden, his best friend brings me upstairs, and they told me to close my eyes. So the restaurant is packed, so I'm not thinking anything of it. And all I know is somebody's grabbing my hand, taking me, and I feel latex, like a balloon, and I'm allergic. And I'm like, is this a latex balloon? I mean, is that a balloon? And they were like, just come on. So I come on by, and I walk, and I get to open my eyes, and I see the table is in like a U, and there's these balloons, and everybody's in white, and we're in red. And then it was just like, okay, what's going on? Like, okay, it's my birthday. So we're sitting there, and then he's over here just nervous as can be. And I'm like, what are you so nervous for? Like, what's going on? So all of a sudden, he gets up, and the music started playing, and singer comes on. He's talking to me, Ashley, you know, Treasure, say to you.
Hey, Ashley, your man Treasure has requested that I sing a song for you. And I happily accepted this request because I could feel the genuinity in his heart. That man loves you. He loves you a lot. And this is one of the reasons why.
You know, Treasure has something to say to you. And it's not clicking to me yet. It's not clicking to me until I look behind me, and there's some balloons that say, will you marry me? And I'm shaking. He's shaking. He's trying to do a whole speech, and he can't get the words out. And it's like, we both just end up crying. And so he asked me, will you marry me? And put the ring on my finger, and I said yes. And everybody just like cheered. It was a special moment, a thoughtful moment. Like, he really went out and had everybody dressed in all white. And it was like, it was the most romantic gesture ever. And to keep it from me, Miss want to know everything. Like, how can you, like, and I was telling everybody, and at this point, he had a whole photographer there, y'all. Did you have a videographer there, or just a photographer?
Just the photographer.
Set up, oh my God, crying, tears, eyes red, everything. It was such an amazing night. Would you do it all over again, babe?
Man, I would do it all over again. And the best part is, I gotta give a shout out to my bro, Raw Vintage. I know YouTube, I know TikTok. When you post this, everybody gonna know who Raw Vintage is. So I'm at work. I'm a photographer, by the way. I'm at work, and I saw this guy came into the and I heard the talking. Like, he was with some of the photographer and the sales reps. And I heard the voice, and I'm like, I know that voice from somewhere. And when I look up, I'm like, I know you from TikTok. You the guy who's be like singing over people's song and all of that. And he's like, oh my God, you got me. And he like, yeah, that's me. And I say, well, so what you doing here, bro? Wait, what you doing? So he said he want to do a photo shoot. It's his birthday. And I'm like, for real? And I'm like, okay, say less. Come on, let's go. So, you know, we out there on the I'm taking his photos, telling him how to pose and all of that. And boom, he came back. He saw the pictures. He purchased all of them. And I'm like, yo, that's a good job, bro. That's a good job. You did all of them. Boom. He was there conversating me and him. I'm like, yo, how the YouTube thing, how the TikTok? He said, yo, it's great. Everything is good. Send him the pictures. I got his number before I left work. And I'm like, damn, I need to see him before I leave. I didn't get to see him. He was there with his girl. Boom. I call him. Didn't get to call. Damn, get an answer. So I leave a message. I say, bro, I have this thing I need you to do for me. I'm begging you, bro. I'm about to propose to my girl. I really love her. Her name is Ashley. What a. And he like, all right, say less. I got you. Boom. Like, it's like 3-4 days go by, no message. I'm like, damn, did Raw Vintage play me? So I message him. I'm like, bro, I know you're busy, but I just need your help, bro. And he said, all right, say less. Boom, I told him the song, and he said, all right, you gonna do it. 3 more days go by. I'm like, no video, nothing, no message. Shit, boom. A message came in. You were here. You were here already in Jamaica. You were here already, and you were in the room. I was in the room. Boom, the message come in. I see the video. I'm like, shit, I can't play it here. I run, come out outside in the living room, and I play it. And meanwhile, I'm listening what the man is saying. It's like cold bumps all over my body. I started crying, and I'm like, shit. Oh my God. Damn, this touched my heart. And that's the song that was playing at the proposal with the talking.
I don't know why
that's that.
you got me crying over here.
Okay, baby. Like I say, I will do it over and over again. I'm telling you, I love you, girl.
I love you too. Well, I'm gonna wrap this video up because I can't believe I'm crying on camera.
I'm sorry, mama.
No, it's fine, and I still call you back.
All right, baby. Love you.
Love you more. Mwah. Yes, and you see I am over here bawling like a little baby, but that is our amazing proposal story. So I cannot wait for you guys to hear more about our love story. And yes, the day that he proposed was January 9th, 2024. We had already been together for a year. A year and some months before he proposed. Y'all heard it straight from my husband, how he proposed, and tell me in the comments, let's talk about it. Like, what do you think about our proposal story? Do you have a proposal story like that? Like, was it surprise? Did you know it was coming? Did you cry? Like, talk about it. Let's talk about it in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching and staying tuned and hanging out with your girl. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.
I want you to be mine all alone.